Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm super excited. I'm going to be trying out the new Makeup Gallery eyeshadow quads. Now, as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Makeup Gallery. They do some fantastic lip products. They do some fantastic bronzers, blushes. They've got it all. Not only the quality of their products is so good, but the price point is right because every single item is £1. I have used their eyeshadows in the past. I've used their duo-ended eyeshadows in the past. This is an example. This one's in the shade Nutmeg. And you've just got basically two colours in there. The pigmentation is very, very good on them. They blend very nicely. They're not patchy or anything. No, these are really good. I know they had their single ones in the past. Then they had these ones. And then when I saw on their Instagram, they upgraded to quads. I was very, very excited because I've loved all their products in the past. And when they brought out these, I just couldn't resist. So I thought it'd be a really good idea to try these on camera for the first time and give you guys my personal thoughts. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know my future uploads once a week. And share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So let's get started by trying out the new Makeup Gallery eyeshadow quads. Just to let you guys know, this video is not sponsored by them. They haven't paid me to do this video. This is just my own personal choice. So they brought out 3 eyeshadow quads. They've just brought out 3. We have the first one, which is called Nude Glow, and it's got 4 shimmers in this one. So there's one semi-matte white and the rest are shimmers, which is very nice. It's a like a brown toned palette. And then you've got the second one, which is Burgundy Boss, which has got 1 matte and 3 shimmers. This is nice if you like those sort of cranberry purple colours, then you'll love this one. And then they also have the last one, which is called Smoky Desire, which has got 1 matte and 3 shimmers, which is more of a grey toned eyeshadow quad. I've also inserted swatches of all the eyeshadows. So you've got number 1, which is the Nude Glow. And then you've got number 2, which is Burgundy Boss. And then you've got number 3, which is Smoky Desire. Now, I must say, the black from the third quad, oh my god, that was pure black. That really, really was black. Usually, like, the cheaper black eyeshadows tend to be not the greatest. So to pull off a black that pigmented, really, really good. Because I've had experiences with cheaper black eyeshadows and they've just not been that great at all. They come out grey more than black than anything. The only thing I'd say about the eyeshadows is I wish they did like 2 mattes and 2 shimmers so it's even. So you got 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. That's all I'd say really. But apart from that, the eyeshadows as I swatched them applied really nicely. They did require a bit of building though. You had to build them up. But personally, I don't, for the price that it is, I don't mind the fact you have to build them up. I find building up eyeshadows is better than overly pigmented ones, because I always find with those overly pigmented eyeshadows, I find them more tougher to blend. Not that there's anything wrong with pigmented eyeshadows, do not get me wrong, but sometimes with them I find they're really difficult to blend. So I would rather have an eyeshadow which you can build up and blend at the same time than it being so overly pigmented, smacking your face pigmented, that you try and blend out with other eyeshadows and it isn't cooperating. Right, so let's start applying these eyeshadows now, shall we? So I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow primer. So this is the Makeup Gallery Turned a Primed Eye eyeshadow primer. Just going to start by applying this on the lid. Now I know someone in the comments made a really good point about this. Like, this is more, the texture of this is waxy and it's could be more good for like a lip primer more than an eyeshadow primer, which is a fair point actually, because I know, I can't remember the brand. There was a brand that, I think, was it Makeup Revolution or was it MUA? I know they used to do like a lip primer which had the same consistency as this. It was exactly the same. So to be honest, you pretty much could use this as a lip primer if you wanted to. You technically could, but the way I find this works for me is I'd apply it on the lid like this, and then I'd just blend it out. But I wouldn't apply eyeshadow straight on. I would literally just go in with any powder. I'm just going to take the translucent powder, and I'm just going to set that on top of the lid. So just going to set it on top where we applied the eyeshadow primer, so it just sets it in place, and you know, powder on top of a powder, it just helps to make everything blend. Hey guys, so I've just thought about this. I'm going to challenge myself, and I'm going to try and use every single colour from each quad. So do you think I can do it? We'll see. We will see. What am I going to start off with? Well, I'm going to start off with Burgundy Boss, and I'm going to take the shimmery sort of dark purple next to that golden colour. Just going to take, I think this is a Makeup Gallery brush. It's not their sequiny one, but I'm just going to take a Makeup Gallery brush. Themed there. So I'm going to take that on the brush. Whoa, that's pigmented. Oh wow. Okay, right, I'm just going to start applying this to the crease. Whoa, okay. That's a lot more pigmented on the eyes than it actually was watching it. Oh, I'm pretty scared, guys. I don't know how this look is going to come out using all the eye colours, but we will see. We will see. Well, yeah, that colour went on really nicely. It was actually, this colour is actually a lot more pigmented on a brush than it actually was swatching it. So I'm going to see what it's like actually blending an eyeshadow on top of it. So I'm going to go in with the very first quad, and I'm going to use the goldeny colour, which is next to the white. Just going to take a Real Techniques brush, grab the colour. Like I said, this might go wrong, but we'll see how it goes. Just to see how well colours blend on top of each other. So I'm going to go on top of that. Wow, it seems to be blending it out really nicely. It's adding this hint of gold to it, which is nice. I'm going to go back in with that light cranberry purpley colour. Just going to apply that on top. Right, my brain is really thinking now. It's like, how am I going to use all these colours? So I'm going to go in now with quad number 3. I'm going to go in with the white and the light silver. So the two next to each other. Just going to use this Give Me Face Cosmetics brush. It's like a little precision brush. Just going to grab that white colour first. And I'm going to place that on the lid. That is really pigmented. Whoa. Like, wow. I don't know what look I'm doing today, guys. I wasn't intending to do a cut crease or a halo or anything. I don't know what I was intending to do today, so I'm going to just pack these on. In fact, I might even use a bit of spray and see how pigmented they really come out. Oh yeah, a lot more intense. Wow. It's coming out a little bit more metallic. Okay, now I'm going to grab the other silver colour next to it now. I'm going to packing that on the edge. That one is a little bit more powdery. That one next to it. Okay, so I'm liking how it's coming out so far. So I've just had this thought. I'm going to try and create an ombre eyeliner. So I'm going to take the two colours, which is from the Burgundy Boss, which is the raspberry colour, just below the gold shimmery colour, and I'm going to take that matte dark brownie, it's a brownie purple colour, and I'm going to create like an ombre eyeliner. This might not go right, but we'll give it a go. So I'm just going to find, okay, I found my angle brush here, so I've just found two. So I'm going to start off with that raspberry colour. So I'm going to take this Revolution angled brush. I'm going to grab that colour. Oh, it's very powdery. Ooh. Right, I'm going to start the lighter here and the darker at the end. So I'm just going to start by placing this on the lid. In fact, I might even give it a spray. Okay. Oh yeah, that's made a bit of difference in pigmentation. I'm actually liking how this is coming out. It actually does work as eyeliner. It's actually really pigmented. I got that eyeliner inspiration from Sharon XO's video. It's her colour series she did, like the violet look where she did the 2 coloured eyeliners. Oh, that eye look was so pretty. I got so inspired by that eyeliner. I was literally like, I've got to do it myself. It looks so pretty. So I'm going to take now that browny purple colour, taking the Lottie London angle brush now. Just going to grab that colour. Ooh, that's very powdery. Wow. Okay. Just gonna connect it up and start by making a wing. Now I know my eyeliner looks a little bit crazy right now. It looks very, well, it actually looks kind of Egyptian actually. It does actually look very, very Egyptian. I will be cleaning and sharpening this up when I do my base makeup, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to be doing the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back to finish off the eyes. Okay guys, so I've done the rest of my base makeup. If you guys actually want to see a first impressions of Poundland makeup, I will link it down below if you guys want to watch the first video of when I actually tried the makeup on for the very first time. And also, I've also done a lip swatch video of like all their new lip products. So I will link that down below as well if you guys want to see a lip swatch video. But I love this colour. This one I'm wearing on my lips now. This one's in the shade Cherry Pop. I couldn't get this colour in the video and I was so disappointed, and I think it was one of my favourite colours and I really wanted to find it. And then 2 weeks later I actually found it. So at least I get to wear it in this video now, but I really like this colour. Okay, I'm going to grab that really intense matte black colour. Just going to take the same brush I used to clean my eyebrows with. I'm going to set that that kohl pencil in place with that. Just to see. Wow, that really makes it intense. I always find as well that if you have very sensitive eyes and kohl pencils irritate your eyes or anything like that, eyeshadow powder is really good for that. So if you don't have a kohl pencil or your eyes are a bit sensitive, just go in with powder, and powder is really good for that. Also nice to set the kohl in place if you suffer from smudging as well. Okay, right, I'm gonna now take the darkest grey out of the third palette. Just use the same brush I used for my eyelid colour, so the white colour. And I'm just going to blend this underneath. So only bringing it just about here, halfway. Okay, I'm going to take that warmer, just a slightly warmer brown colour from the first quad, which is below the semi-matte. Just going to grab that on a flat brush. Just going to blend that just here. next to the grey. Right, I'm going to take the colour next to that colour I just used on my lower lash line. I'm just going to take that slightly darker brown from the first quad. Just going to take the tiniest little bit. This might be a bit risky, but I'm going to smoke it underneath. So I'm going to grab it. And I'm actually going to take the tiny bit and smoke it underneath to blend those colours together. Okay, I'm going to take that semi-matte colour now from the first quad. I'm going to take that and put it in my inner corners. So use it as an inner corner highlighter. And then blends it in with them colours. Oh, I'm just using an old Gosh brush, by the way. I don't think they make this anymore. It came with the smoky palette they had ages ago. Last but not least, the very last colour, I'm going to take the sort of darkened golden colour from the second quad. Just going to grab that on the other end of this brush. And I'm going to use it as a brow bone highlighter. So, just going to be placing that colour on top. I'm just going to finish off my face with a little bit of setting spray. This is the Max Factor Lasting Performance Setting Spray. That is it, guys. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So, my final thoughts on the eyeshadow quads. Would I 100% recommend them? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend these eyeshadow quads. If you're on a budget and you really want some eyeshadows, then definitely go for these. There's something here for everyone. So, if you want like, well, I don't know, if you want like a nude eye, definitely go for number 1. If you want more of a smoky eye, then you've got number 3. If you want more smoky but a bit more on the cranberry side, purple side, then definitely go for number 2. So there's something here for everyone. They are very powdery, especially the one I found, which was number 3, like the matte especially. That was extremely powdery. Very powdery. So just be careful when you're using these eyeshadows. Their formula is pretty much just as good as their previous eyeshadows and the previous ones before that. They are all just pretty much just as good. But yeah, if you're on a budget and you really want some good eyeshadows, then yeah, definitely recommend checking out these 3 because these are so good. It's created this really nice eye look. I've actually used every single colour from all these eyeshadows. In fact, how many were there? So you've got 4, 8, 12. So 12 colours I've put on my eyes. 12 colours. I haven't put any false lashes on because I didn't want to take the emphasis away from the eyeliner because I loved how the eyeliner came out so much. I thought falsies might take it away a little bit, but no. This is the completed look, and yep, I would definitely recommend the eyeshadows. If you really want to save yourself some money and you really want a decent eyeshadows, then yeah, check these ones out from Poundland. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So thank you guys very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.